Class today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to show content on TikTok. You just click on it. Then you come to an next here. Come here to show your content in TikTok search results. Just click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.